Ganesh Chaturthi or Vinayagar Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi or Vinayaka Chavithi, is a Hindu festival celebrating the birth of Ganesha. It falls in the months of August or September of the Gregorian calendar. The festival is marked with the installation of Ganesha clay idols privately in homes, or publicly on elaborate pandals, temporary stages. Observations include chanting of Vedic hymns and Hindu texts such as prayers and vrata fasting. Offerings and prasadam from the daily prayers, that is distributed from the pandal to the community, include sweets such as modaka, as it is believed to be a favorite of Lord Ganesh. The festival ends on the 10th day after start, but we ended by 1.5 day where the idol is carried in a pub. LIC procession with music and group chanting, then immersed in a nearby body of water such as a river or sea. In Mumbai alone, around 150,000 statues are immersed annually. The clay idol dissolves and Ganesha is believed to return to Mount Kailash to Parvati and Shiva. The festival celebrates Lord Ganesha as the god of new beginnings and the remover of obstacles, as well as the god of wisdom and intelligence, and is observed throughout India, especially in the states such as Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, Gujarat and Chhattisgarh, and is USU. Allies celebrated privately at home in states such as Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh, and also in other parts of the world. It is unclear when the festival started. It became a major social and public event with sponsorship of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj after Mughal Maratha Wars, and again in the 19th century after public appeal by Indian freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak, who championed it as a means to circumvent the colonial British government ban on Hindu gatherings through its anti-public assembly legislation in 1892. Although it is unknown when, or how, Ganesha Chaturthi was first observed, the festival has been publicly celebrated in Pune since the era of Shivaji, 1630 to 1680, founder of the Maratha Empire. After the start of the British Raj, the Ganesha festival lost state patronage and became a private family celebration in Maharashtra until its revival by Indian freedom fighter and social reformer Lokmanya Tilak. Public preparations for the festivities begin months in advance. In preparation for the festival, artisans create clay models of Ganesha for sale. The murtis range in size from 3/4 inch (1.9 centimeters) for homes to over 70 feet (21 meters) for large community celebrations. The date for the festival is usually decided by the presence of Chaturthi Tithi. The festival is held during Bhadrapada Madhyahana Purvabhada. If the Chaturthi Tithi begins at night on the previous day and gets over by morning on next day, then the next day is observed as Vinayaka Chaturthi. In the consecration ceremony, a priest performs a prana pratishta to invite Ganesha like a guest. In India, Ganesha Chaturthi is primarily celebrated at home and in public by local community groups in the central and western states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Goa, and the southern states of Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and eastern states of Odisha. The Madras High Court ruled in 2004 that immersion of Ganesh idols is unlawful because it incorporates chemicals that pollute the sea water. In Goa, the sale of plaster of Paris Ganesha idols has been banned by the state government, and celebrants are encouraged to buy traditional, artisan-made clay idols. Recent initiatives to produce traditional clay Ganesha idols in Hyderabad have been sponsored by the Andhra Pradesh Pollution. Due to environmental concerns, a number of families now avoid bodies of water and let the clay statue disintegrate in a barrel of water at home. After a few days, the clay is spread in the garden. In some cities, a public, eco-friendly process is used for the immersion. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Footprints for more videos.